What you are seeing here is Ilish. It's a fish, not Billie Eilish.
It is served as an elite dish in any Bengali occasion. There are signature exotic dishes like bhapa ilish, shorshe ilish and many more.
Hi everyone,
Hi, welcome back to our channel.
we are Bengalis staying in Vizag and today we are going to share a unique story about Bengalis.
And if you like our channel, please don't forget to subscribe because that means a lot to us.
It will motivate us to make more videos, funny ones.
Yes.
Today we are going to share a story which is about the Bengalis and their delicacy.
So without any further delay,
Let's get back to the story.
but why is ilish so special to us?
It is a delicacy for the Bengalis and the most sought after fish. The speciality of this fish is its flavor, the texture and the aroma that comes when you are cooking and when you are having it. It is just because of the fat that is there. It is almost 70% of fat.
This fish is available in the deltaic region of many South Asian rivers, but mostly Bengalis get this fish from Bangladesh and as well as Kolkata in the delta region of Ganges and Brahmaputra.
Since it swims upstream, this is why the muscles and the fat develop in the fish, which gives the taste to it.
So flavorful compared to any other fish in this world.
You can understand because compared to any other fish, it has a very different lifestyle.
The best thing we can think of is Podda ilish, which is in Bangladesh. Recently, the Bangladesh government has lifted the ban of exporting ilish to India, and that is why tons of fish has flowed from Bangladesh market to the shops of Kolkata. Can you believe it? And we live in Vizag, so you can understand how far we are from that enormous fish that we crave for. And we didn't miss the opportunity, and we tried hard to get a contact of a Bengali who stays in Kolkata, and he is a dealer who got the fish from Bangladesh, and from Bangladesh the fish came to Kolkata, and from Kolkata to Visakhapatnam, and that too in a COVID special train. Parcel train it was. And then coming back to our story, we got the ilish in Vizag. So this is how much extent a Bengali can go for its ilish.
Thanks to Kajolda, let's have a quick chat with Kajolda who made it possible for the ilish to come from Bangladesh to Vizag.
হ্যালো এভরিবডি, আমার নাম কাজল ভট্টাচার্য। তো আমি কলকাতা থেকে বলছি। আমি অনেক বছর কলকাতার বাইরে ছিলাম। অ্যাজ এ প্রবাসী বাঙালি আমি রিয়েলাইজ করতাম যে আমরা যারা কলকাতার বাইরে থাকি আমাদের অনেক কিছু খেতে ইচ্ছে করে যেগুলো আমরা কলকাতায় ছুটতে গেলে পাই, কিন্তু কখনো ভাইজাগে থেকে বা যারা মহারাষ্ট্র বা পুনে বা দিল্লিতে থেকে সেগুলো সবসময় আমাদের পেরে ওঠে না, পাওয়া যায় না। খাওয়া দাওয়াটা যদি আমরা বাঙালিরা যেটা ভোজন রসিক বলি বাঙালি, তো সেটা যদি আমরা পাই তার থেকে আর ভালো কিছু মানে আর কিছু নেই। আমি এই স্টেপটা নিয়েছিলাম যে আমি কলকাতা থেকে কি করে যারা বিদেশে প্রবাসী বাঙালিরা থাকে তাদেরকে আমি কলকাতার সমস্ত খাবার পাঠাতে পারি।
So finally, we got the ilish in hand and then we got it cleaned. We got it cut from our local fish seller. And then we cleaned it again at home.
This is it, 1.5 kilos of goodness.
And then we stored it for a later use, just to do this.